Hey everyone, it's been a while that I spoke to you guys. I created a DIY video. So today I thought I'll just make one DIY project and show you guys how it is done. So we have moved to a new house where we have stairs inside the house. So I wanted to use these sticker rolls. These are vinyl wall stickers. So I bought these on Amazon. I'll leave the links of these in the description. You can check them out. These are going to be on the steps. Let me show you how I'll be doing it. Kiara will be helping me with that. So this step needs two lines of this. So one will be like this and one will keep it here. So here, this is the place where we are sticking, not on top of it. So let's do it. It opens up like this and you keep it to the correct spot where you want it to be. Make sure there are no bubbles. We are doing this for the first time, so we can't avoid air bubbles. We kept removing it to stick again. It may happen to you too. Try to do it slowly and at a straight angle. Okay, we have cut the sticker on the step, which was difficult to cut. So we have decided that we'll measure the strip according to the whole step and then cut the strip before sticking it. Okay, done. As you can see, sticking the second strip was easy as we understood how to do it. Okay, we'll stick to the other steps and then show you guys. So we finished the steps. So that's how it is looking and we love it. I have chosen black and grey stickers as my steps are grey color. I chose 3 different patterns and used them alternatively. You can choose what suits your choice. Use this idea anywhere in the house, get creative and start decorating. We have done the other side. We still need some more rolls for the top part. So we are going to buy that and do it later. But for this video, you can see how it looks. So if you like this, don't forget to give a thumbs up. See you in the next video. Bye.